Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start saving messages now. First, make sure Wi-Fi is active, battery is above 20%, and you're signed into the right WhatsApp account. Next, choose where to store the backup: local device storage for quick access or Google Drive/iCloud for off-device safety. Once chosen, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats. Now select Chat Backup so you can begin the export process. This initial setup determines how complete and recoverable your data will be. You'll configure details next. Under Chat Backup, toggle Include Videos only if you accept bigger uploads. Videos dramatically increase time and space. Then pick a backup frequency, manual for control or daily for continuous protection, and sign into your Google Drive or iCloud account if using cloud storage. Make sure WhatsApp has storage permissions and background data allowed, otherwise the upload can fail. Tap Backup now to start. Monitor progress and don't interrupt the network until completion to avoid. To finish, verify the backup shows the current date, time, and reasonable file size in settings so you know it succeeded. If restore or backup fails later, first confirm you're on the same phone number and Google/iCloud account, check Wi-Fi stability, and free up storage if needed. Then retry. As an alternate safeguard, export important chats to email or local files. Make sure to test a small restore occasionally, so you're confident your messages will return when required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.